Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your friends on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Snapchat application to open it up. And if you have already logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start posting your stories. Now, from the homepage, you can tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to end up within your profile. Now, from your profile, if you wish to delete any of your friends, scroll down and underneath your friends section, you will find My Friends. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find all of your friends that you have added within your Snapchat account. Now, if you wish to delete any of your friend, you can simply tap on this friend's name and you will be taken into the chat page. From this page, just tap on their username at the top section and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, from the three dots menu, you can tap on Manage Friendship and you will be able to find the Remove Friend option. Go ahead and tap on the Remove Friend option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove them as your friend. Just tap on the Remove option and now this user will be removed as your friend on Snapchat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete someone as your friend on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.